Ariane. Nice. Okay, thank you.
Two. One, two, three, and go.
Start na.
O, yan na.
Ang saya-saya dito sa Philippines!
Para...
So guys, ito na yung start ng island hopping namin. This is our day 1. Well, supposedly day, technically day 2 namin sa Coron. And today we're gonna do the super ultimate tour. First stop I guess is yung Kayangan Lake. Tara. So ito yung stairs papuntang Kayangan Lake. Pupunta ka doon para magpa-picture. Yan lang. Walang araw. Magkakaroon yan. Pagpunta natin doon, maaraw na. Oh, this is Barakuda Lake.
The front area of the ship is about 5 to 7 meters deep only. The deepest part at the back is around 18 to 22 meters. So the only half of the ship are visible to see by your mast and snorkel. Okay? So those who are good swimmer, you can try to touch the ship, but please do not try to touch the body of the ship. Okay? We don't allow it. Okay? Because the body of the ship is newly painted, it's still wet.
So this is our food for today. Ito lang ko ng fish yan. Halaan, crab, vegetables, seaweeds, what else? Fruits. Ito yung last stop namin. This is 2-in-1 island data. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag din sa beach na to. Doon yung La Isla. Nakalimutan ko. La Isla Pilipinas ata. Hindi ko alam. Tapos ito. Ayan, Sunset Beach. Yata. Nakalimutan ko na. Kaya lagpas na. Sunset Beach. Nakalimutan ko. Basta 2-in-1 beach. 2-in-1 daw ko to kasi one stop pero 2-in-1 yung pwede mong puntahan. So, ayan siya. So, dun yung coral. Hindi na ako pumunta kasi pagod na ako. Ayun, so this is our last stop for today's tour. Then, bukas panibagong tour na ulit. Tomorrow, it's gonna be more on shipwrecks kami. Pupuntahan namin. So, I hope ma-enjoy namin because this one we really enjoyed it. Ayan, good morning. So, this is our second day of tour. So, technically our third day. So, today mag-reef and wreck kami. So, more on free diving to. And more on shipwreck yung pupuntahan namin. So, I hope makahanap kami ng magandang spot for diving. Everyone, this is La Paz Island. This is where we're going to eat our lunch for today. And English, yun yung food namin.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. So yeah, each person is like a
So yan, mag-eat lang kami ng lunch today. Tapos, diretso ulit ng free diving sa mga shipwreck. So, 4 na destinations namin. So, first one, nag-shipwreck kami kanina. Second, here in La Paz. Then, meron pang 2 shipwreck ulit. Japanese shipwreck na pupuntahan namin. And hopefully, maabot namin yung baba. 3. Kapitan. Today is our last day here in Coron, and definitely babalikan ko tong lugar na to kasi sobrang saya, sobrang fulfilling, especially pag since I'm a free diver, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung pag-free dives. Sobrang ma-enjoy mo sila kausap. Most of the people here, hindi, may ano na siya, mix yung language, yung dialect dito, halos mix na. Tapos may mga tao galing sa Antipolo, Cavite, tapos dito sila napadpad, nakaano sila ng partner nila in life. Well, dapat wise ka sa pagtatanong. Dapat bago ka pumunta dito, sinearch mo muna sa Google or sa mga blogs kung magkano yung mga tours, yung pamasahe sa tricycle. And lahat kailangan mo alam bago ka pumunta rito. If you are into freediving, definitely you're gonna love this place. You're gonna enjoy this. And if you're new into freediving, there are still some places that you can do freediving. Kasi there are some shipwrecks na 7 meters lang, so kayang-kaya abutin if you are a beginner. Barracuda Lake. Ayan, sobrang saya nung Barracuda Lake. So, lalo na pag marunong ka mag-freedive, tapos gusto mo pumunta sa ilalim. If you want to take beautiful shots or Instagrammable shots, go to Barracuda Lake and learn freediving. You're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna love the shots that you can make pag nasa Barracuda Lake ka and nag-freedive ka. Sobrang medyo mo lang. Be careful lang na baka malaglag mo yung snorkel mask or hose, kasi sa akin nalaglag. So if you're going to do DIY travel, DIY tour, I'm recommending Kuya Dennis from JY Travel and Tours. He's really nice. He's really a good tour guide. Sobrang ma-enjoy mo yung company niya, and sobrang witty, sobrang entertaining niya. So later, pupunta kami ng airport, going back to Manila na later, and back to work, back to reality. And we will definitely return here in Coron, probably after 2 years or 3 or if may magyaya. Then I hope you enjoyed watching this video, because we also enjoyed our trip here in Coron. So please click like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.